Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm talking about our knit club project for September. And Tara, one of our staff members at Alpaca Direct, designed the Norwegian Autumn Rose Hat pattern, and it is using Simply Crea by Skacel. That is a chainette construction super baby alpaca. And if you look at it here up close, it's 3 skeins for your kit this month. And we have also included our Alpaca Direct stitch markers. And these are wonderful stitch markers that are magnetic, and they're super lightweight, and they slide easily from needle to needle. So I love these stitch markers. And this yarn is beautiful. It has sort of a, not a tweed effect, but it has a tonal effect to it that creates a beautiful fabric when it's knit up. And what I love about this super baby alpaca and the chainette construction is super alpaca is very, very soft. So having the chainette construction helps your alpaca hat stay together. So what we create when we make this hat pattern is a super, super lightweight and very warm hat for the winter time. So this is a great project for either gift giving, or you can enjoy it for yourself. And it has lovely twisted brim on it. And it's just a really, really fun, it's an easier colorwork project than we had last month. And so I hope you enjoy this pattern this month. And it'll give you a little reprieve after our ladybug cowl. So I hope you enjoy it. And I'll be excited to share next month's project with you. So you take care.